Hallo, ek is Etie. Welkom by my kanaal waar ons als saam doen. In this video, I teach you how to tell time in Afrikaans. You'll see at the top there is a phrase, hoe laat is dit? That is the phrase that you use when you want to ask somebody, what time is it? Literally translated, that phrase means how late is it? But its usage and real translation is, what time is it? Hoe laat is dit? A few important time-related words. Let's go through them. Tyd, time, uur, hour, ure, hours, minuut, minute, minute, minutes, sekonde, second, secondes, seconds, split secondes, split seconds. Voormiddag, that is the word we use for AM. Namiddag, the word for PM. Voor, before, and oor, past. But it means past only in the context of time. Let's start by telling time by the hour. 1 o'clock is 1 uur in Afrikaans. You'll see that it is pretty simple to create the by the hour times in Afrikaans. You simply add the word uur at the back of the number. Just keep in mind that if the number ends on a consonant, like ag uur, you just attach that uur right to the number. Ag uur. There's no space and there is no dash. But if the number ends on a vowel, you will write the number like 9, then a little dash, and then the word uur. So let's go through all of them, starting with 12 o'clock. 12 uur, 1 uur, 2 uur, 3 uur, 4 uur, 5 uur, 6 uur, 7 uur, 8 uur, or 8 uur, 9 uur, 10 uur, 11 uur, and then of course 12 uur, and we right back where we started. Now let's tell time by the half an hour. There are different ways around the world in English to tell time by the half an hour. I think the most common way would be 12:30 or 12:30, and that is the case for most English-speaking countries. I know in South Africa we say 12:30 or 12:30. I think in the US as well, even in the UK. But the UK has another way of saying 12:30, and that is 12:30. Now, because of the way that we say that in Afrikaans, I thought that meant 11:30 initially, but it doesn't. 12:30 means halfway past 12. So it's 12:30. But in Afrikaans, 12:30 is 12:30. Now that is a bit more confusing because in Afrikaans, we tell time in halves and half an hour before the whole. So when we say 12:30, that means halfway on its way to 1 o'clock. So 12:30 in Afrikaans is 12:30 or 12:30, which is 12:30 in Afrikaans. So that's something to wrap your head around. In Afrikaans, when we say half and we use the half an hour times, we refer to 30 minutes before the whole time. Half an hour before 1 is 12:30. Halfway on its way to 1. All right, let's go through the times quickly. We start with 12:30, which is 30 minutes past 11, right? So just keep that in mind. And then we go 12:01, 12:02, 12:03, 12:04, 12:05, 12:06, 12:07, 12:08, or 12:08, 12:09, 12:10, 12:11. And then we are all the way back to 12:30. The next one is before. So many minutes before the whole. In English, you'll say 10 to 4. And that to, in the case of time in English, means before. In Afrikaans, the word you're looking for is voor. 10 voor 4. So voor, that is the word you'll use for so many minutes before the 12 or before the whole. So the first example over there is a quarter to 4, 15 minutes before 4. In Afrikaans, you can say, and I think this is the most common one, kwart voor 4. It's a lot like the English quarter to 4. Kwart voor 4. The other option, of course, is to say 15 minute voor 4, which is 15 minutes before 4. In the case of the thing that can be said in quarters, kwart voor, we won't say 15 voor 4. So we won't say 15 to 4. We'll say quarter to 4 or 15 minutes. Kwart voor 4 or 15 minute voor 4. The next example is 5 voor 1. Now, of course, there's nothing wrong in saying 5 minute voor 1 if you really want to accentuate the minutes. But shorthand, in short, you can just say 5 voor 1. And then the next one, 25 voor 9. And the last one, 10 voor 7. Now we're looking at past. 10 past 4, 10 oor 4. Now, only in the context of time is the translation for past the word oor in Afrikaans. As for the rest, the pattern is pretty much the same for oor than it is for voor. So let's look at that first example. Kwart oor 9. Or you can say 15 minute oor 9. 20 oor 5. Or 20 minute oor 5. Now this 20 minute, if you want to accentuate, use the word minute, you can do it for all of the times, right? You don't have to, it's not just 20 oor 5, which is 20 minute oor 5. All of the other examples there, you can accentuate the minutes if you want or not. 25 oor 11. And the last one, 5 oor 4. For a little bit extra, we look at how to use AM and PM in Afrikaans. For AM, we have the word voormiddag, abbreviated VM. Voormiddag simply means before noon. And for PM, we have namiddag, abbreviated NM, and that simply means after noon. Let's look at the clocks and how you would say those times in the context of AM and PM. First one over there is 5:30, and you will say 6:30 voormiddag. 9 a.m. is 9 uur voormiddag. 8:45 a.m. will be kwart voor 9 voormiddag. Then we look at PM, 12 p.m., 12 uur namiddag. 4:45 p.m., kwart voor 5 namiddag. And the last one, 15 minutes or quarter past 11, kwart oor 11 namiddag. And then just for interest sake, just because I can, if you ever use a stopwatch and you want to know how to refer to those numbers in Afrikaans, you'll see here's the stopwatch face. And the first one, the red circle, is the minutes. And that would simply be minute in Afrikaans. And the next two numbers refer to the seconds, which is secondes. And the last little two numbers, those are the split seconds, which is split secondes. Now that is just in the context of a stopwatch. I hope this video has helped you to tell time in Afrikaans a little bit better. If you have any more questions, about time and time telling, please let me know in the comment section. I'm also thinking about making a video about dates and how to, for instance, say Monday, 13th of April, how we refer to dates and things like that. And then maybe also one about how to talk about the weather. So please let me know in the comment section if you are interested in a video about weather and how to talk about it, or if you're interested in dates and like the calendar and things like that in Afrikaans. Okay, have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.